And I almost hit the back end of my bike. So yeah, use your throttle control, use your acceleration sense to slow down, but also do people a bit of a favour and put a little bit of brake light on, right? So although you're not actually technically braking, you're not physically braking, just engage a little bit of the front or rear brake just to ignite the brake light. Alright guys, obviously courtesy costs nothing, does it really? Yeah. We're going to go to Newlands Corner now. Sometimes I'm going to stick in a little bit of a mistake. What was wrong with that? Give you a little bit of time to think about it. Now, was my position okay? Could I see? Did I have somewhere to go? Was it safe? Did I get on with it? Yeah, I did all of those things. Well, what was the speed limit? I don't want to advocate you breaking the speed limit, but I did go over just a little bit too much, yeah? So, in your eagerness to show that you're very good on your bike, just watch how much you're accelerating. Especially on a bike like this, although people take the mickey out of Harleys, they've got a lot of torque and they really punch forward on the acceleration. So, just be careful on your overtaking speeds. No one's going to have a go at you for flipping over a couple of miles an hour, right? But you can't go horrendously over, right? Okay, good, lovely. So yeah, gears guys, just watch using your gears to slow down. Yeah, throttle control, that's absolutely brilliant, yes? Alright, being in the right gear, that's absolutely brilliant. But gears are for going, brakes are for slowing. And if you end up not having to physically brake, but you're just going down in gear, just maybe sometimes just show a brake light, yeah? Alright, we're going to go left at the roundabout. So we want to try and time our arrival so we don't have to stop. Alright, because I'm keen to show that I'm observing, I'm planning, yeah? In other words, I'm not hesitant. I'm not cutting anybody up, I'm not racing, I'm just making easy progress, yes? So we've got that car turning off, looking up ahead, nice bit of power, back up to speed. Looking at the car coming towards me, yeah, he's seen me, off I go. Alright, can you hear my gear now? Labouring a little bit. You want to be in a gear that is effortlessly pulling you. Alright, it's not screaming and it's not as it's in too high a gear. So make sure you're in the appropriate gear, so that the slightest amount of throttle adjustment has an immediate effect on the bike. So increase speed, decrease speed by being in the appropriate gear, yes? mine on this Harley, 5th gear, is quite good for 40 mile an hour. Right. So just get to know the gear ratio of your bike. So I'm coming down to a 30 now. Now I know again that for me on this bike, right, 4th gear generally speaking is okay, unless I'm going up a steep hill, in which case I might go 3rd gear. Yeah. So try and get to know how your gears, what the range of your gears are like. You can hear it anyway, can't you? Yeah. You can hear whether the bike is labouring or screaming, got it under too much stress. It needs to be comfortably pulling.
Try to install today and find the right mattress for you, so you can sleep like a pro and live like a pro. For your chance to win £1,000.
It's also a little bit easier to then maintain the speed limit. We all have that problem, don't we, guys? Yeah, it's very easy on a motorbike to exceed the speed limit. Very easy. Right, you need to exercise those restraints. Yeah, so in your eagerness, as in the example I gave back there with the lorry that I overtook, in your eagerness, right, don't be going mad on the throttle and end up exceeding the speed limit by 10, 20 mile an hour, because you've got a powerful bike and that little flip on that throttle puts you way over. Yes? Well, this is nice and easy, isn't it? And again, if you get the right gear, right, you haven't got to touch brakes. I'm just using the throttle here. I'm not even using the clutch. If you get the right gear with the throttle control, right, you can just go around all the bends without touching the clutch and without touching any brakes. Yes. But if you need to, obviously do it. Right? Hey, it's not competition. Well, again, if we just keep it in this 3rd gear, right, little shallow bend here, this is no problem at all. Yeah, just gonna have a little look, right, and then as you adjust your throttle, you should be able to keep going without touching brakes or touching the gears or the clutch. So again, here we go, left hand one now, right, and just a little bit of throttle control, bit of leaning, right, no brakes, no clutch. Right, again, not a competition, we're just practicing, see how you feel. Right, we're going to go straight on, now we can see the new speed limit. They're normally found at the end of your existing road and or the start of the new road you're about to enter. So they're very good places to look out for. Right, then we get your positive steering. So when you go around a bend, you want to go around to the right, you're pushing forward or down depending on how you perceive it, on the right hand bar to go right. If I want to go left, I'll push forward or down, however you perceive it, you go round to the left. Right, and that puts some positive forces through the steering, so I'm pushing power on the right bar now, right, and the bike will want to go round. So we've got a left hand bend coming up, not a very much of a one here really. Right, just going to lean forward, putting pressure on that left bar. Yeah, can you see what I'm doing? Right, so that's how we go around bend. Some people just lean, right, which is great, but if you use that pushing as well on the bar, you'll find you'll do the bend so much nicer. And what you want to do is you want to equalise your forces. So the bike wants to go straight forward. Right, and as you put pressure on the left bar or right bar, depending on what type of bend you're going to do, right, the bike wants to go out forwards, that's its natural tendency. So there's a force pushing it on the outside of the bend, and you're pushing it to the inside of the bend, and you want to equalise those forces out. Yeah? So natural tendency of the bike to go straight forward. When you go round a bend, as you're putting pressure on one bar or the other, you want to equalise the force trying to push you forward to the outside of the bend to the force you're putting in to the inside of the bend whether you're going left or right. Alright guys, that will do me. So I will see see you on another video. So bye for now, rideforever.co.uk.